Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing two popular trading platforms, Ctrader or MetaTrader 5, also known as MT5. Which one is better in 2025? Let's break it down. MT5 is a classic, it's trusted by millions of traders, supports forex, stocks, and crypto, and works with many brokers. It's highly customizable, has built in indicators, and allows automated trading with expert advisors. But it has an older interface, and setting up bots or custom indicators can be technical for beginners. Ctrader is newer and more modern. It has clean interface, advanced charting, and faster order execution. Many traders say it feels smoother and easier to use, especially for scalping or day trading. Ctrader also supports copy trading and it gives more transparency, like depth of market and commission visibility. So, which one is better? If you are a beginner or want more visual tools and transparency, Ctrader is easier and more modern. If you use automated strategies or work with brokers that only supports MT5, stick with MetaTrader 5. Both are legit, powerful platforms. The best one depends on your trading style. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Like this video if it helped and subscribe for more simple trading breakdowns. Thanks for watching.